eBay has three different seller levels. Top rated, this is where a seller is providing an excellent level of service. Above standard, which is when they exceed the minimum standard. And below standard, which is where a seller is below the minimum acceptable standard for an eBay seller. Seller performance is evaluated every month. The seller level depends on the lowest measure out of a number of metrics. To be a top rated seller, the late delivery rate needs to be less than 3%. The transaction defect rate needs to be less than 0.5%. And there needs to be only 0.3% cases closed without resolution. As a minimum, the seller needs to do 100 sales or £1,000 in a year. If a seller's rate falls below standard, they have a 3 month grace period to try and improve their standard. The transaction defect rate is defined as a transaction cancelled by the seller or if a buyer wins an eBay money back guarantee. Each transaction is counted only once. There are a number of benefits to being a top rated seller. Listings of top rated sellers are eligible for the eBay Premium Service Badge. This is a badge shown on the listings of top rated sellers that also match certain delivery and return specifications. Premium service listings get a 10% discount on final value fees. The listing of top rated sellers also are shown higher in the eBay search, known as Best Match. If an account falls below standard, that account will pay an extra 4% final value fee. It will also get lower ranking in the eBay Best Match search. The eBay Premium Service Badge is shown here at the top right hand side of the listing. It is also shown on the results page underneath the title. You can see your seller level if you go to Sell to get you to the Seller Hub, then Performance, and then Seller Level. This page will break down your performance by the different metrics. You can see your past seller level, your current seller level, and it will give you your scores on the transaction defect rate, late delivery rate, cases closed without seller resolution, and transactions and sales. What you would be at if they evaluated you today, and it would also give you your returns rate. Here it will tell you how many of your listings are eligible for the eBay Premium Service benefits and your current sales level. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.